Introducing the 2023 Ford Puma ST with only 5,783 miles. This stunning SUV in grey features a 1.5 litre petrol engine, manual transmission, and a host of incredible features including ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, safety is a top priority. The luxurious interior boasts cup holders, ambient lighting colour selection, and a luxury trim. Plus, with anti-corrosion warranty and energy recuperation, this vehicle is built to last. Fully inspected and serviced to manufacturer specification, this car comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information today.